Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HMD Fusion to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on wherever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Fusion and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Fusion, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected, located at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. To connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!